morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Come, let us read Sound of Vowel O, page number 11. Let's start. H O P hop. H O P hop. M O P mop. M O P mop. T O P top. T O P top. C O P cop. C O P cop. P O D pod. P O D pod. R O D rod. R O D rod. C O D cord. C O D cord. N O D knot. N O D knot. R O B rob. R O B rob. J O B job. J O B job. S O B sob. S O B sob. B O B bob. B O B bob. P O T pot. P O T pot. D O T dot. D O T dot. H O T hot. H O T hot. L O T lot. L O T lot. Now read, learn and write these words in your copy three times and do practice. Okay? Bye.